Well, there are a number of ways that you can relax tight musculature either before activity or after activity that can be beneficial to all of us as we, maintain our fitness goals. I think first and foremost about some of the palliative tools that come to mind that are available in the consumer market that many people have had great success with. So foam rolls, for example, having a foam roll regimen, there are over 1,000 different ways that you can mobilize tissue and relax tissue just with a $12 foam roller. Theraguns and the type of pneumatic compression devices that hammer into your tissue to loosen it up for you. Those have now come to the commercial marketplace as well and are available, online in numerous stores for you to mobilize the tissue more so than you can through stretching or massage or other types of techniques. So when I think about mobilizing tissue or relaxing tight tissue, those are going to facilitate relaxation, but also make it easier for you to stretch those muscles when you do start to stretch before your activity or when you go into an activation series, a pre-warm-up routine before you start your activity.